What is going on, TFT fam? I'm excited to announce our Kings program, which is available for funded traders. This program is specifically for you professional traders to help you build your kingdom. Let's get into what are the actual benefits of this program. For those that are eligible, you will be able to receive withdrawals anytime, meaning your request button on your dashboard, it will always be available. You will always be able to withdraw once you are eligible for this program. Number two, you're gonna be able to get your payouts on the same day. So 8-hour processing time for payouts. This is 3 times faster than it normally is, 5 times depending on what account you are. So 8-hour processing time, that's benefit number 2. Benefit number 3, 90% payouts. So you're gonna get profit splits up to 90% on that account that is eligible for the Kings program. Number 4, one of the most important qualifications is you must have traded a certain amount of notional volume on your account. Notional volume is a calculation of your lot size, your contract size, and your entry price. For all information about the notional volume, it will be listed inside of the FAQ article that we will post below. These are all the qualifications to get in on the Kings program. Upon you receiving your next withdrawal, our team will check if your account is eligible and reach out to you to let you know. If you feel like you are eligible, feel free to reach out to support and we'll look at the account for you. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and best of luck trading to all of you.